Hey everyone, I was looking and there was a lot of requests about an example from 1M, N, or O. So this is 1M. Just a side note here, my pen has decided to turn off. Just give me a second. So 1M, I could see where people were getting stuck because you have a pronumeral on both sides, or you have a variable on both sides. So I can see where people were getting stuck with it. And I stared at it for a couple seconds trying to figure out what was going on that was causing people issues. But I see that having a pronumeral on both sides, X and X, was kind of the tricky part. So what I'm going to do to start is I'm going to move 3 over just to kind of save some headaches. So I'm going to move 3 over by subtracting it from both sides. So my pen is really not working well. That's supposed to be a 3. So these cancel out. Wow. There we go. Thank you. So after I do that, I'm left with x over 5 equals x minus 3. There we go. X minus 3. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply both sides by 5. So I'm going to multiply this side by 5 to get rid of my 5. And I'm going to multiply this whole, what's in the brackets, by 5. So my 2 5s will cancel out, which leaves me with x equals 5x minus 3. And I've broken that up into another step just to make sure I'm being clear. I'm going to distribute this inside the brackets. So what's 5 times x? That's 5x. And what's 5 times negative 3? That's negative 15. The next step I do is I'm going to move 5 over. Move 5 over. My 2 5s cancel out. 1 minus 5 is negative 4. So it's negative 4x equals 15. I've run out of room, so I'll just continue to work. Wow, this really is not working great today. And then I'll take my negative 4x equals 15. By negative 15, sorry. I'll divide by negative 4. Divide by negative 4. My x's cancel out. Or my x's, my 4's cancel out, leaving me with, my pen's just flashing that my battery's dying right now, so I'll get this done and then that'll be it for the day. That leaves me with, oh yeah, my pen's dead. Leaves me with x, see if I can use my hand to just finish this off. X equals negative 15 over negative 4, which is also my my negatives. A negative divided by negative is a positive, don't forget. So that will cancel these 2 out, or cancel these 2 out, leaving me with x equals 15 over 4. And I believe your textbook wrote it as a mixed fraction. But there you go. There's how 1M is done. I hope that's helpful with N and O.